Is Holy Land Lac M1 worth it? Today we'll be unboxing this Holy Land Lac M1. It's a microphone, a mini microphone. Tutakuwa tuna unbox and tuitest tuone what it has to offer. You know, is it worth the hype? Najua watu wanasema ni second option ya M2. You know, M2 ndio I think the latest, but this was the start. Yeah, I think they started with this, so we'll be testing it. Wacha to unbox. So here we have it. It's ni heavy kiasi, but sio heavy sana, maybe less than a kg. Unaona, inakuja iko packed vizuri, iko sealed by the way. So wacha tuifungue. Wow, tuifungue. Nafunguliwa aje hii the boy?
Tuione hii.
Let's see how this thing is. So brand new, hata sijaifungua. Haya, here is the seal. It comes with 2 seals. You know? Let's open. Another seal. Right now tuko kwa stage, ndio maana unasikia hiyo kelele yote, but it's a good place since this can cancel the noise, you know, can reduce the noise, so it's a good place to test this. Ndio unatuona tuko hapa stage. You know, hatu ifungue bwana.
Mbona hapo wameandika with one button you can cancel the noise. Nakakuwa deadly.
Ni hatari. Aya. Angalia mali. Holy Land.
Kwani imefungwa aje vizuri?
I thought inakuja tu kwa box hivi.
Si ni mzuri sana, hata kubeba inakuwa easy.
It's very easy. So without much say, here is the packaging, you know. Very nice. Acha tuifungue sasa. Unajua watu wanagoja ifunguliwe waone hii ni nini. What is this?
Waone vile mali inakaa.
Yeah. This is how Holy Land Lac M1 comes. Ikikuja bila hii hiyo
si Holy Land.
Si Holy Land. It's not Holy Land. So it comes like this. Hii pia ni seal. This is a seal. You see?
Yeah.
It's a paper-like thing, you know. So let's open this. This is the feathery thing that you attach to the mic for noise, for wind reduction. Yeah. So there are 2. So acha nirudishe, let me.
Meaning it comes with 2 mics.
Yeah, it comes with 2 mics. So here we have it. From there, and then cables, you know.
Wow.
This cable. And then there is another one like this. You see?
Hey.
So another thing. Let's see what this is. What this is.
Hey man.
Wow.
So it has, those are 2.
Yeah, those are 2. This I think is addition.
So
because I thought it was coming, haikuwa inakuja na hii. It was not coming with this. I was thinking like that, you know.
By the way,
we want to buy this.
Ebu tell them how much hii ina cost iko peke yake.
You see, this cable alone, this is 2,600 Kenyan shilling.
Yeah, this one alone.
This one. Hey.
So tulikuwa tumekuja tunashindwa Man,
should we buy first?
Yeah.
But it comes with it. So another thing, the cable that comes with in what were iPhone. iPhone people, there is a cable.
Wow.
Imagine, it's full package. And then the charging cable.
Yeah.
USB to Type C.
Yeah.
So that is charging cable. So right now we have not charged it. We have just unboxed it, and then the manual. We are here for you, Holy Land. This is a message to the. Hey, thank you. Let's get in touch. Hey, Holy Land. Very nice, very nice. And then the manual. Yeah, nothing much. So we'll go ahead and remove the mics from the case. Hey man, I'm so happy. That cable, I was like,
we are going to buy it again.
We are going to buy it again and stuff. So here is the case for the mics. Let's open.
Wow. But they imetoa light hapo hivyo already.
Yeah. So I think I can feel some magnet. You open here. Yeah.
Oh, ndo sasa charge.
Yeah. This is a magnet. So if you put it like this, there is some magnet. Then hapa kwa mic tunafungua hivi. Hatari bana, hatari. So another one, this is the receiver.
Yeah.
Wow.
And I can see it has some controls.
Yeah. It has some, I think this is mode.
Yeah.
This is plus or minus power. And then the thing that will be attaching
to the camera or the phone.
Yeah. So go ahead and put it back. Let's complete this unwrapping. So it looks like this. You see? Here is the mic. The charging port. So the clip. So you attach like this.
They are good to go.
We are good to go. So we'll be testing these mics right now. As you can see, ndio hii hapa nimeiva Holy Land. So niko hapa na Harry King. Harry King vipi?
Poa sana.
Hiyo mic unaipataje bwana?
Fantastic. Alafu ikiwa hapo penye iko, hausikika kuna kitu imewekwa.
True. By this sio heavy.
Sio heavy. So haisumbui mtu.
Haisumbui. Mnaipata aje? Tuambie kama iko poa. Sasa hii tunataka kuiweka. We are still town center. Tuko town center. Bado kuna kelele. So tunataka to compare this sound. Alafu tukiweka noise cancellation, mtuambie iko aje.
Tuone venye ita perform.
So let's activate. Utafinya tu button mara moja the boy. Haya tuifinye.
Ya black ama ya yellow?
Ya yellow. Ukiweza angalia imebadilisha color and then ime go back to blue.
Yeah.
So how is that sound? Because mimi naona iko sawa sana. Nilikuwa na depend sana na ile sound ya simu. I was depending on the phones and microphone, but it was not delivering, especially when you listen hiyo sound ikiwa kwa woofer ama kwa TV.
Si haina ile
haina clarity.
Quality ile nzuri.
Yeah. Hata ukicompare na mwanzo ya hii video utasikia kuna kitu.
Kuna tofauti
mahali.
Ndio tu kwa umezivaa.
Yeah. So
alafu sasa you don't have to shout.
You don't have to shout.
Sasa hizi tu unaongea tu easy. Wewe unajua kuna mahali unaenda kushoot content, alafu kuna watu. Demo unaongea watu wako zile za huyu msee
anafanya nini?
But ukijikuta tu unaongea easy, hello guys, this is the hivyo unakuta saizi hakuna hiyo kushout sijui nini.
True.
Alafu kuna test moja moja tumebakisha kufanya. Distance. How far unaweza enda kama umeplug ukiwa away from the camera, tuone inachukua distance. Imagine inachukua distance nyingine
mrefu sana.
Hadi nyingine hutawahi hitaji kwa life yako.
True. Hata ni unusable.
So we find out ile distance yenye ita make.
Yeah. Without much say, si tuende hapo.
Tuende hapo.
Finally guys, tumefika mahali tutakuwa tunaifanyia testing these mics. Tuone mahali the device iko yenye na record na mic ni umbali gani inaweza enda. So how far can the mic go and still work? So wacha tuanze, si ndio?
Yeah.
Inafaa kuenda 200 meters. So tunataka kupima hii 200 meters ni ya kitabu tu ama ni ya ukweli?
That is 650 feet.
650 feet.
All right.
Let's go.
So ndo Ken anaenda. Wacha tuone how long itachukua. Wow.
So hapa tuko like 100 meters. Can you still hear me? Aya, hata tuende kama 200 meters zingine. Kama 100 meters zingine.
We're still going. You wanna test how far can it sense? He's already 200 meters by the way.
So hapa tuko approximately 200 meters, but when I turn like this, but nikiwa hivi straight, you can hear me very clearly. So sidhani kama naema juu nimekimbia, sidhani kama this distance is practical, you know. So it's good, it's so good, it's so yani they are giving you that range, you know. So big up to Holy Land LAC M1, you know. So iko fit, mimi sisema mambo ingine. Yeah, that's it guys. Make sure you like the video and you subscribe. And by then me activate noise cancellation so mnanipata very clearly. Unaona? So yeah guys. Nyuma ya kamera ni Harry King the boy. Pia yeye ako pale YouTube. Mumfuate, yeye ndio director leo. Wow. Nakuja tu. Hiyo sound mnaipata aje? So mwenye anaweza kuwa anauliza hii kitu ni approximately ngapi? Imagine ni less than 8k. You know? So we namba yenye unaona hapo, you just call if you need it. Na utapata. So that's it guys. See you on another videos and heading forward videos zitakuwa na high sound quality. So thanks to you mwenye umekuwa ukituwatch. Thanks to you wale wana support hii channel. Kuna watu hata wanatumanga, you know, wanakutumia hapa kule. And na wewe viewer, you know, pea tu hii video like. Hivyo tu umeni support. Unaona? So that's it guys. See you on another video. Na mkumbuke pia my director ako na channel yake hapo, Harry King the boy, you know, pia yeye mpitie kwake na mtafurahia. Peace. This is why Olive Cosmetic Naivasha is the best. from unlimited beauty and cosmetic products, quality products, affordable prices, and good customer care service. Don't miss out. Visit us today for fantastic discounts on a wide range of cosmetic and beauty products for both men and women. For inquiries or to place an order, call us today. We are located at Lagza Towers next to Naivas Kubwa. Welcome.